Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can pair Honor X1 earbuds with your MacBook. First of all, open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Yeah, let's make it just like that. Now take a look right here. You'll find these two white indicators and they are going to blink together just like that. It means that right now the device will be visible to your MacBook. So put them close to your Mac and then simply we have to go to the settings. Just open the settings and go for the Bluetooth. Next, turn it on by tapping on the switcher and wait until they appear on the list. Here they are. So click on them once and as you can see, we are successfully connected. You can also go for the sound and be sure that the output and the input is switched to your earbuds. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.